Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my daily predictions and analysis for US30 and US100. Yesterday again was a wonderful day, and today morning's video in which I have forecasted for US, Europe, India and gold and silver instruments. I hope you all profited. All markets exactly achieved the target levels which I predicted today morning 12 hours before. I hope those who have watched definitely would have profited. Now, let's see what lies ahead for the day. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. First, we are going to look at US 100. I am going to give you the trading levels at the end of the analysis, and then it will be followed with US 30. So, do watch till the end. Also, do listen to the commentary, it matters a lot. Remember, you can understand how and why I am giving those levels. So, do watch till the end. Let's start the analysis with US 100 first, and US100 right now trading with a good drop at 13,890 levels on the daily charts. Let's first have a look at the daily charts. Let me try to see how beautifully these charts make a pattern. You can see these highs are almost connected, though there is still a room, but 14,200 proved out to be a good resistance. At the same time, if we connect the lows, you can see the lows are quite well, the space is still open till towards 13,750 levels. So if it continues to drop, we may still see 3,700 13,750 levels. That could be the low for the day. Probably we might see it dropping. It appears from the charts that yes, this can be achieved. And also look at this. See, it was trying to get a resistance here at around 13,900, now trading below these levels, and probably now again looking forward to at least 13,800 first support. If you look at this also, now look at these charts, the support here coming at around 13,800 13,820 levels. So if it breaks this zone, definitely we might see a further sharp drop where we can expect it to head till towards 13,750 13,700 levels. But this is just on daily charts. Also, we must not forget, see, this is kind of consolidation which happened for last 3 days, and you can see the lows are still higher than the previous candle, and you can see still it is trying to uh, it is still looking down, and once it means that there is still very much bearishness in the market, and till the time today it breaks beyond 14 to 50, I will not say that it is a good to buy. Once it breaks 14 to 50, we can again expect it to head till towards 14,400 and 14,500 levels. Also, this is also one of the probabilities. So never deny that yes, I think it is bearish, so it is going to drop, or I think it is bullish, so it is going to rise. Remember, markets are supreme. They can reverse anytime. They can form a double bottom here. They can reverse from here. That is also one of the probabilities. However, it appears because it is looking so sharp, we may see a good fall, probably first at 13,800, 1020 levels, then 13,750, 13,700, and below that it can fall significantly. We might see a good sharp red candle. Remember, we can see a good sharp red candle. This is very much possible. But now let's have a look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, you can see that there is a slope available, and now on the downside, see, if it trades beyond this level, it can probably going to drop sharply, and probably we are going to look at a sharper drop, may head till towards. So once 13,820 is taken, 13,750 13,700, and in fact well below levels can also be seen. Now look at this. It tried to consolidate, then this is a breakout candle, so it broke out of 14,200, and now second consecutive red candle. We may see a third consecutive red candle also, where it can drop sharply towards 13,700 levels. And also we must not forget that, see, red candles retracement, red candle retracement, now again followed with the red candles. Now how far this could go, we have to look, but any reversal beyond 14,000 should only be considered that it is going to head again till towards 14,200 and beyond levels. So now 14,000 levels is going to be the resistance levels which it passes. Rather, I will say 14,020. If it passes 14,020, then you can go long, expect it to rise. Now look at the 3-hour charts, how beautifully 3-hour charts are forming a fall pattern. So this is kind of a waterfall pattern, you can say simply it will try to slide down till towards 13800. Probably we might see 13800 on this candle, and then from there we'll look forward to how it behaves there. Probably it can retrace again till towards 13900 zone and then fall back. One probability lies there, and it can if it goes beyond 14020, definitely that should be considered that as a reversal. However, looking at this, see, bigger candles, bigger retracement, smaller candles, smaller retracement. Now this is a fourth consecutive red candle, and see the candle size is increasing with every move, and you can see the smaller body size, bigger body size, and further bigger body size, and this indicates that yes, there is bearishness. It is kind of a waterfall. It is this is waterfall pattern it is trying to form. But yes, there is a support available here at around 13850 and 13800 zone. If it breaks this zone, definitely it will try to hit 13750 and 13700. The next support level will come into picture at around 13740 and 13700 levels. Below that it will fall again sharply. So possible that it can try to retrace back. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, you can see the highs are consistently lowering in nature. The support is available here at around 13800 850 zones. Once this 800 850 is taken, we may see a good fall, we may see a good drop. Remember, I am telling you once again, we may see a good drop, but any rise beyond 14020 14100 should be considered that it is going to reverse again till towards 14200 plus levels. So we have to trade as per the levels. Right now the level to go long appears to be at around 14,000. Now look at the hourly charts. On the hourly charts, how beautifully this rhythm has been formed, and then a bigger candle is given. Now this is on the hourly charts. Probably now only if we get another red candle out here. So now let's see the highs of this, how high this could go. So it can again retrace till towards 13970 13980 levels, and once it goes past 14020, yes, that should be considered that as a reversal here, and we can expect that we might see a stronger greener candle where it can again come back till towards 14200 and can rise beyond. So yes, it has taken the support at these levels. Almost double bottom has been formed, but at the same time the diminishing nature of the highs which is the retracement are achieving, probably that is indicative that yes, there is still bearishness. So from 14,000 levels, probably you can try to enter another shot, but keep a stop loss, tight stop loss. I will give you the levels, just bear with me for a little while. And on the daily charts, we have already seen. Now let's have a look at the indicators. So indicators on the daily charts, you can see almost at the bottom of the Bollinger Band here, bottom of the channels out there, taking a support at around 13800 850 zones and trying to trade in these levels. Now the resistance on the upside is at around only 14500 15000 levels. If it tries to retrace, let's see whether it tries to reverse beyond 14000 2050 levels. If it goes beyond, definitely that's a good buy. And you can see the trended price oscillator in the sell zone. The directional movement is already on the sell side. Now look at the stochastic trying to cross over, and this red line is beyond the black line. Probably we indicative that yes, we might see a little drop again. Remember, the stochastic has again was oversold, now into a comfortable levels. Look at the RSI. The RSI is already since long has been on the sell zone. This was the MACD lines. The RSI is almost oversold and still looking down. So a probable red day is to be there only till it remains below 14200. Now 14200 250 zone, again a very important zone. I have given a sell call yesterday also, today also, that one can remain short below 14250 200 zone. And again, if it goes beyond 14200 250, one can remain long and expect it to head till towards 14380 400 zone also, if it retraces beyond then and then only. Also looking at the RSI, right now it is oversold and still looking down. Now let's have a look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, you can find that there is a strong resistance zone coming into picture at 14200 250. So our theory or our analysis that yes, 14200 250 could be a stronger resistance zone is being again proven out, that looking at this 20 and 50 moving averages, for 20 period moving average and 50 period simple and exponential moving average lying out there at around 14200 to 50. So if it breaks this zone, definitely that is a good level to rise. And yes, right now on the downside, the field is quite open. There is no support level almost on the sell zone. The directional movement is also wide open there, diverging. And look at the stochastic is also diverging on the 4-hour charts, indicative that yes, there is bearishness. Also look at the MACD on a 4-hour chart is trying to cross over, and probably once they crosses over, we might see a good fall or good drop, indicative of a good drop. And similarly on the 3-hour charts, stochastic comfortable and are on a sell side. MACD lines have just crossed over. Now remember, once 14850 zone is taken, it might head till towards 14820 800, and then beyond that it will slide strongly. Probably 14700 13700 and 13750 zones might again provide support, else it will fall strongly. So mark my words, trade accordingly. Any long is recommended only above 14,000 levels, else it might continue to slide. Now let me give you the levels directly. Looking at the levels here, the level to go long is at 14023. I will suggest you to take a long position only at 14023, where you can expect 14070 the first support, first resistance for it to move further up, then 14120, then 14180, 14220. Now if it breaks past this zone, definitely it will try to hit back again 14260, and beyond that it will fly past. There is no space left, so let me try to come back here. It will fly past 14300, 14380 zone, which we saw yesterday and achieved successfully. That trade was also hit and achieved the target as predicted. Now till the time it remains below 14023, we can again expect that it is going to achieve 148. So the nearest support will come into picture at 14850, and below 14850 we may again see 14820, 14760. Now once 14760 is taken, it will fall sharply towards 14700 and then towards 14630. So remember, at these levels you can still enter a short, but see, always, because it is going to be a volatile day and already it has dropped considerably throughout the day, it doesn't mean it cannot drop, but still you have to keep your stop losses and don't trade without a stop loss. Please enter when you see a directional movement in the direction. If you want to take a short and it is dropping, then only you take a short at these levels, and then immediately when you see it is in profit, please put your stop loss at cost. Don't play with the stop loss. Let it get closed, let the trade get closed. Nobody denies you a re-entry, but if it reverses, you will not get the opportunity to close it again. So please put your stop loss very tight and always shift to the cost whenever you see your trade is in profit. Let it get closed 10 times. Now let's move towards US30. Now this is US30 on a 3-hour charts. You can see almost double top has been formed, and you can see this resistance level again coming into picture at 34,400 levels, and since then we are looking forward to a good drop. Today again 34,400 put out to be resistance. This is the 4th consecutive red candle on a 3-hour chart. The body size is almost kept same. This time it is going to leave a big tail. Also this zone at 33,750, 33,700, this is going to be a stronger support zone. Once this 33,700 zone is taken, we may see a good fall till towards 33,500. Recall my weekly analysis, I had told several times 33,700, and you know the reason on the charts why 33,700 has been given. Now again it is looking forward to 33,700. Probably we might see 33,700, and From there we are going to look at if it continues to drop or we may see a rise. Let's have a look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, you can see this is the zone at 34,400. It tried to resist, and now it is trying to drop, and it is successfully dropped till now. 3 red candles on the 2-hour charts and almost achieved this zone, somewhat plus minus, but yes, still almost achieved this zone at 33,750 levels. And once it breaks this zone at 33,750, 700, definitely it will fall strongly towards 36,600 and 33,400 levels also probably. But we need to look whether it could sustain in this zone, else it might, what it is doing right now, it is trading in this zone. However, lower lows is something we can see here on the charts. Now look at the, also look at the 2-hour charts. One more thing I would like to say here is, once it goes past 34,000, you can again enter a long. You can expect it to rise again towards 34,200 and 34,400 levels. So we have to keep both the cases open. We cannot be bullish or bearish. Now look at this on the hourly charts. It is after this drop, 3 smaller candles and a big large candle. After such pattern, probably we might see a little greener candles, and it can again trade till towards 34,100 levels. Plus levels 34,200 can also be seen, and from there we'll look how it behaves. Now let's have a look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, this is second consecutive red candle. Also it confirms that any long is beyond 34,050, where it can rise successfully. Now 34,000 is a very strong resistance level. You can see these candles resisting to drop, and the previous times also we have seen it was resisting to drop below 34,000. Now it will this 34,000 again will prove out to be a resistance. Also there is a support coming into picture at around 33,750. So between 33,750 and 34,000 we have to take a little caution. Beyond 33,750 it will again try to trade till towards 33,500 and below levels. Remember, this is only second red candle, and also this body size can be further small. You can see 34,400 to 34,000, and now 34,000 to 33,750, 33,700 can be seen. Third candle may appear, which might take it towards 33,500 and below levels. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you can see here, now these 3 lines are well connected here, and you can probably see why 33,750 may provide it a support. Once 33,750 is taken, it will try to hit again till towards 33,580, and below that it will drop towards 33,500 levels. So till the time it remains beyond 33,700, you can say 33,750, you can expect it to trade between 33,750 to 34,000 levels, and beyond 34,000 it will again head towards 34,200, which is going to be a stronger resistance. Also remember, it has already seen a wick for the day. So yesterday also we were looking forward to this 4 smaller red bodies, and a big red body has to appear. This is how the fall has been formed. Yesterday we were expecting that after 3 it might give you a fall. It did drop, but again closed the day with a rise. Probably today it might not, it might trade in red, and hence till 34,000 level you can still short, and in fact till 34,200 levels, if you are entering a long at 34,000, you can again enter a short, achieving the target around 34,180, 200 levels. You can again enter a short there and probably expect it to drop towards 33,900, 800 and 750 levels. This is another probability, so take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at the indicators. Indicators on the daily charts, almost trading at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. 33,600, 500 zone is the extreme. Detrended price oscillator in the sell zone. The directional movement is on the sell zone already, and you can see the stochastic trying to cross over. Once this crosses over, again we can see a drop in the forthcoming days. And look at the MACD lines are running parallel on the daily charts. The RSI is oversold, both for US100, US30, divergent, looking downwards and indicating bearishness. On the 4-hour charts, you can see similarly the resistance zone coming into picture here at around 34 300 to 400 zone. So once this zone at 34 300 to 400 is taken, then only you can expect it to rise. Else till the time it is beyond 34050, you can again continue to expect it to continue with the drop till towards 33,750, and then below 33,750 700 zone we can again expect it to head till towards 33,550 500 zone. So also this on the 4-hour chart, the directional movement has crossed over and again into sell zone, and it is diverging. So we'll look forward to whether it sustains or not. If it sustains, it has to remain below 34,000 levels. A stochastic trying to drop and is in a sell zone. There is a crossover on MACD on a 4-hour chart. It's taking place. RSI is comfortable here, and on a 3-hour charts, similarly, there is a stochastic almost oversold. MACD lines have crossed over, resistance coming into or support coming into picture here at around 33,750 zones, and probably this zone at 33,750 700 may provide a very strong support. Below that it will fall strongly, and stochastic is comfortable there. So but almost trading with a sell there. Considering this, let me jump to the levels here. Now I will recommend you to enter a long only at 34,050, where you can again expect it to rise till towards 34,180, the next resistance which will come into picture. Beyond that it will head towards 34,250, which is going to be the stronger resistance. Beyond that 34,300 and 34,400 will come into picture. Beyond that, anyways, sky is the limit. It will head towards 34,600 levels also. So probable chance that it can reverse and it can head till towards 34,250 300 also. This is another probability. And on the flip side, you can again enter a short if you see it going till towards 34,300 250 zone. You can again expect it to drop, so you can take a short entry there also. This is another probability. However, I think largely it is going to remain bearish. And on the downside, right now it is trading at 33,860 levels. If it breaks 33,750, you can again enter a short here. You can expect it to get a support at 33,700, 33,640. After that it will lend till 33,550, 33,500, and then towards 33,400. This is going to be a good support level for the day, and probably it can you can expect it to drop till towards at least, if not more than 33,550 500 can be seen, or at least 33,640 can be seen. But these are markets, anything is possible. A good long entry, probably you can also try to enter. Most of the times we have seen that in general markets fail to go past these levels. It definitely try to achieve these levels, and from here also you can try to take a short entry, but with a very tight stop loss, with a very strict stop loss, and only if you see it dropping again. So let's say if it rises till 34,050 34,000 level, if you see there is still once it starts falling from there, you can again take an entry probably at 33,970 or so levels. You can take an entry and you can expect it to come back till towards 33,750 700 zone. So this is another way by which you can earn profits, and only a probable range is wide. 34,250 to 33,640, 33,550 can be seen today itself. Take your positions accordingly. Don't miss the chance, and don't trade without a stop loss. Reach out to me for any of your trading or trading related queries, and press the bell icon so that you can stay tuned with the latest analysis. My weekly analysis will be uploaded tomorrow. Also join the Telegram channel. The links are mentioned in the description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.